Today, we're going to take a word you think you know and completely pull it apart. But what's so fascinating about it isn't its meaning. Oh no. It's a secret hidden in its simplicity.
So really, what can one little three-letter word teach us about communication? Well, it turns out a whole lot. And the answer has been hiding in plain sight this entire time.
All right, so let's dive in. We're looking at the word war, specifically from the Simple English Wiktionary. Now, it looks pretty basic, right? But tucked away in its dictionary entry is this amazing clue that reveals a huge lesson in how we talk to each other.
Okay, first things first. Let's start with the absolute basics. What does it mean?
War is when armies or countries fight against each other. You see that? It's so direct. There's no fancy language, no complicated stuff. And that clarity, well, that's not an accident. It's actually our very first clue.
And the example they give, those two countries are always at war. It just keeps that simple, direct vibe going. It takes this huge, abstract idea and grounds it in a way anyone can understand. It's all about being accessible.
But here's where it gets interesting. This word isn't just a thing. It's also an action. War is one of those handy words that does double duty in our language.
You know, as a noun, you have war and the plural, wars. Simple enough. But you can also use it as a verb. Countries can war with each other. They warred in the past, or they might be warring right now. This kind of efficiency is another little hint that we're dealing with a really fundamental word here.
But honestly, the definition, the grammar, that's just scratching the surface. The real secret, the game changer, is just a single line of text on the page that pretty much changes everything.
This one sentence explains why the definition is so simple in the first place. It's the key that unlocks the whole purpose of this entry. You ready for it?
And there it is. War is on the basic English 850 list. This is it. This is the big reveal. This single fact explains everything. It means war isn't just another word. It's officially one of the essential building blocks of the entire English language.
So what is this list? Well, the basic English 850 is this core vocabulary of just 850 words. The idea is that with just these words, you can explain almost any complex idea. It's like the ultimate toolkit for communicating with anyone, anywhere. And war made the cut. It was considered absolutely essential.
Now, being an essential word like this has massive, and I mean massive, implications. It means its simplicity isn't just for English learners, it's actually designed to be translated all over the world. The scale of this is just, wow.
Get this, 82. That is how many other languages this one simple English entry for war has been translated into. This word isn't just an English word, it's a truly global concept.
I mean, we're talking about everything from French to Kiswahili, from Russian to Japanese. This one simply defined English word serves as a kind of universal bridge for communication, connecting people and cultures all across the planet. Okay, so let's put all the pieces together. We've got a super simple definition, a spot on an essential word list, and this incredible global reach. So, what does it all mean? What's the big takeaway here?
This is the real lesson, right here. The true power in communication doesn't come from using big, complicated words. It comes from mastering simple words to explain huge, complex ideas. That dictionary entry for war, it's not just a definition, it's a masterclass in how to communicate effectively with the entire world.
So I'll leave you with a challenge. Think about it. What's the most complex idea in your life, in your job, that you could explain using only the simplest words? The answer just might change how you talk to people forever.